Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you are doing well. So today's topic, what is a cursor in SQL Server? So today we will learn what is cursor and how to use cursor in SQL Server with an example and what is the component of cursors we can use in SQL Server while our query. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is cursor? Cursor is a database object which is used to manipulate data in row to row manner. Okay. Another definition is cursor is a temporary memory or temporary workstations. A cursor uses select statement to fetch the row set from a database and then can read and manipulate one row at a time. Okay. Types of cursors. There are two types of cursors. One is implicit cursors and other is explicit cursors. Okay. Okay. What is life cycles of cursors? Or you can say that what is the component of cursors? Both are the same. Like declare cursors, an open cursor, then fetch cursor, process the row, close cursor, deallocate the cursors. Let's understand with the diagram. First, we need to declare a cursor, then we need to open the cursor. After that, operations or task will perform like fetch, empty, like fetch. If like empty, then next move to close. Otherwise, it's not an empty, then it loop back for fetch. Okay. After that, we need to deallocate the cursors. It's a very important point to deallocate the cursor at the last, because if you do not deallocate the cursor, then it will take a memory space. It holds the memory space. So we need to deallocate the cursor. Deallocate means it's memory free. Okay. How to use a cursor in SQL? Like same things. To use a cursor, you must declare and execute a cursor, then process include the following 5 steps. One is declare cursor. In this part, we declare a variable and return a set of value. Okay. Number 2, open. This is a entering part of the cursor. Third is fetch, used to retrieve the data from row by row from a cursor. Okay. And fourth is close. This is an exit part of the cursor and is used to close a cursor. Okay. And last one, this is a part we delete the cursor definitions and release all the system resource allocated with the cursors. Okay. This is the syntax, like complete syntax of cursor, including 5 points like declare, open, fetch, close, and deallocate. Okay, let's understand. First understand like declare variable and varchar is like length 50. Then I have mentioned in comment section also like declare all required variables. Then declare declare cursor name, cursor. You can write any name of cursor, declare a cursor name, define a scope of cursor, like we want to use in local or global. It means I think local and global I will explain. first explain the global. Global, it means when you declare a cursor on globally, then you can use this cursor to our entire procedure, entire store procedure. Or when you declare like a local cursor or scope, then we can use this local variable within a block or within a single statement. Then define moment direction of cursor, define basic types of cursor, define locks. Okay, and last one is open cursor. Open cursor, fetch next from cursor name, fetch data from cursor. After that, here implement SQL query. Whatever you want to fetch the record from cursor, like you want to select query, you want to update query, you want to delete insert query, you want to delete query, then whatever you want, you can write here. Okay. After that, close cursor, and last one, deallocate cursor name. Okay, what cursor you declare, same thing you have to declare, deallocate the cursor, and deallocate all resource and memory. Okay. Okay, let's understand an example, like cursor of examples. Okay, first I have declare cursor, and I want to implement select statement. So I just implemented selected two column. One is employee ID and another is name from EMP1 table name. First point is completed, and now second point, like open cursor name. Okay, next one, fetch cursor, fetch next from cursor name into like a variable name, employee ID, employee name, while fetch status equal to 0. Fetch status is the inbuilt keyword of SQL, so we can check if equal to 0, then like employee ID and name, we want to print employee ID and name. Fetch next cursor from cursor into employee ID and name, then end. Begin section has been end in the last. After that, close cursor name, and finally deallocate the cursor. So main important point is that fetch cursor, fetch status equal to 0, we need to check. If equal to 0, then it will begin and end. After that, we close the cursor and deallocate the cursor. Okay. Okay. Thank you to all of you for learning. From learning is the key to success. Please subscribe and watch my video and like and share. Okay. So I want to show you like this examples of cursor with practically. Okay. Let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. Yeah, this one. So first of all, I want to show you what is the data in EMP table. Okay. Same things I have pasted in PPT slide. This is the example. Okay. As we need to select star from this one. Okay. Yeah, I have a data like a 10 record in this table. So we fetch some record or some column using cursor. So just I implemented like that. Okay. Yeah, I have write the complete examples. So now execute the cursor. Okay. Now I'm executing this query. This is the same query like this one. It's a screenshot of this query. Okay. Now execute the query. Yeah, this one. Like we select like employee ID and name. Okay. If we check with the select table, like select star from this one, okay, like this. Employee is this and name is this. Okay. Okay, thank you very much to all of you.